2 years ago, my life changed forever when my wife and I welcomed our daughter into the world. Becoming a parent is an incredible experience that shifts your entire perspective overnight. Suddenly, your priorities change, and there's a lot to learn, like how to dress your child properly, a task I initially struggled with, as evidenced by some questionable outfit choices. Amidst the chaos, both my wife and I were working from home, managing our businesses while caring for our newborn. The days were busy, and sleep was scarce. Around the 8th week, sleep deprivation hit hard, and I found myself thinking, I'm never going to have free time again. This thought was unsettling because I have a passion for learning new things. Determined to continue learning, I delved into research about skill acquisition. I repeatedly encountered the 10,000-hour rule, popularized by Malcolm Gladwell, which suggests that it takes 10,000 hours to master a skill. This idea was daunting, especially with my limited free time. However, upon closer examination, I discovered that the 10,000-hour rule pertains to achieving expert-level performance in highly competitive fields. It doesn't apply to acquiring basic proficiency in everyday skills. This realization was liberating. I learned that with just 20 hours of focused, deliberate practice, you can become reasonably good at a new skill. This approach involves 4 key steps. Amazon. Deconstruct the skill. Break down the skill into smaller, manageable parts. Focus on the most important aspects that will yield the greatest improvement. Learn enough to self-correct. Gather a few resources, books, videos, or tutorials that provide the fundamentals. Use these to guide your practice and correct mistakes as you go. Remove barriers to practice. Eliminate distractions like TV and internet. Create an environment conducive to focused practice. Practice for at least 20 hours. Commit to practicing for 20 hours. This commitment helps you push through the initial frustration and discomfort that come with learning something new. To test this method, I decided to learn how to play the ukulele. I acquired the instrument, learned how to set it up, and focused on practicing 4 chords commonly used in many songs. After 20 hours of practice, I was able to play a medley of popular songs, demonstrating that significant progress is achievable in a short time. The main obstacle to learning new skills isn't intellectual, it's emotional. We fear feeling incompetent, but by dedicating just 20 hours to focused practice, you can overcome this barrier and unlock new abilities. Whether it's learning a language, cooking, drawing, or any other skill, you can make meaningful progress with a modest investment of time. So, what do you want to learn?